Are you looking to streamline your workflow and stay organized when tackling big tasks? Today, I'll show you how to create a project plan in ClickUp step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up a fully customized project plan that saves you time and keeps your team on track, so you can focus on results, not wrangling spreadsheets. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you're on your ClickUp home screen. If you're new to ClickUp, the home is basically your dashboard, the spot where all your projects and spaces live. Take a moment to locate the specific project you want to work on. Hover your mouse over it, and you'll notice a set of 3 little dots appearing, kind of like a hidden menu. Go ahead and click on those dots. This is your shortcut to all the powerful actions you can take within that project. From this menu, we're going to choose Template. Now, templates in ClickUp are huge time savers. Instead of starting your planning from scratch, you can use a well-designed blueprint that already has the basic structure you need. Once you select Template, look for an option that says Browse Template. Clicking that opens up ClickUp's library of templates. If you've ever felt stuck staring at a blank page, this is a game changer. Here, where you can get really specific. In the search bar, type Project Plan. Hit Enter and you'll see all the project plan templates available. Take your time to scroll through. ClickUp offers quite a few, each with different layouts and features. Some are more detailed with timelines and milestones. Others are simpler, good for smaller teams or projects. If you're not sure which one to choose, think about the kind of work you'll be managing. For example, if you're coordinating a product launch, a template with clear deadlines and communication tasks might be best. When you found a project plan template that fits your needs, click Use Template. Now, ClickUp will prompt you to give your new project plan a name. You can go with something straightforward like Marketing Campaign Plan, or something creative. It's totally up to you. Naming matters more than you think. A clear name helps everyone identify what the plan is for later on. Before you finish, take advantage of the chance to customize. ClickUp lets you tweak elements of the template, like adding or removing columns, changing task names, or even assigning colored tags. Think of this like adjusting the furniture in a room you just moved into. Make it work for how you and your team operate. Don't worry if you're not sure about every last detail now. You can always come back and adjust things later. Once you're happy with your setup, hit Use Template again. The project plan will load into your workspace. At this point, you can rename your project plan if you want to refine the title even more. Maybe as you're looking at it, something catches your eye or you realize you need to include a project code. Editing is easy. ClickUp lets you change, add, or rearrange items however you see fit. For example, if your team prefers checklists over due dates, swap those components out. You're not locked in. Think of your project plan more like a living document than a static file. And that's it. You've now got a customized project plan in ClickUp, ready for you and your team to tackle your next big goal. If you found this walkthrough helpful, hit the like button to let me know. Drop any questions or your favorite ClickUp tips in the comments. I love seeing how different people set up their projects. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials every week. Thanks for watching and happy planning.